Yo, what's good? My name is Trey Little, and I'm about to show you how I got my Hypebeast background and theme with the new iOS 14 update. Yo, this thing is lit. So right after the intro, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's go.
No, you don't work, you don't eat. No, you don't work, you don't eat. Got all this pressure on me. Got all this pressure on me. Making it out of these streets. Woo. Yeah.
Alright, so look. Apple just came out with the iOS 14 update, and I believe it was yesterday, September the 19th. So this update is really fire. Like, as you can see, I got, like some cool icons. It's like black. I got like this blue anti-social club picture up there. And I really love brands. I really love street fashion. So I decided to go with that for this video. There's other things that you can do with so many different things. So starting off with my background. My background is just the normal Supreme picture. Like, you can get that off Pinterest. That's where I got it from. And then you got, the anti-social club picture, which was off of Google. And I'm going to show you how I put that in. I'm going to show you how I did the Supreme and how I did these really dope black apps at the bottom. So the first thing that I did, or the first thing that I want to show you is what app you need. So you need this app called Widgetsmith. You just go straight to the app store, you download Widgetsmith, and then you're going to need an app called Shortcuts. So there's just like the normal like Shortcuts app, and then this is what you're going to use. So all you got to do is start off by going to the Widgetsmith app, and then this is where all your customizations happen. So I'm about to show you. So number 5, right? You can name it whatever you want to. You can name it Hypebeast, right? And then this app is cool. It's something like jailbreaking. It's not really the same thing, but I guess it's something similar to it, because people were, companies don't like when people go behind their back and do different stuff or whatever. So if I want to do a, photo op or some sort of photo background thing, right? You can create a photo library just for these, pictures and stuff like that. And then all I gotta do is just go to like, if I want me with the Porsche or whatever, right? I just go back and I hit save. But then I'll put like that black Supreme picture or the anti-social club picture right there. And then I'll just go back, and then all I gotta do is go to like tap the background and then hold it down, and then go to the plus. And the picture is really cringy, by the way. Let me see. And then I'm gonna go to Widgetsmith, and then I think I did a medium, and then boom, that showed up. That was just one of them that I made. So then 3, actually, you know what? I don't know what that is. So I think that was like the crescent. Let me go back and see. Hypebeast. Okay, so it is a small widget. Okay, dope. All right, so look, go back and then go to I'm going to delete that one. So then I'm going to go click on the background again, go to add, and then look at the cringy little picture of me and the cat, and then go to Widgetsmith, small, add widget. And then when I click on it, like if I'm going fast, you can watch this video over. So then I'm going to click on Hypebeast, and then boom, it's your boy on the Porsche. So I'm going to delete that because I don't really want that. Now if I want to do it again with the Supreme, just to show y'all, I'm going to go down to Widgetsmith, and then I'm going to go to, I believe the Supreme one was a small as well. So then I'm going to click on, I think it was the first one. I didn't really name it, but you just got to kind of label things. I didn't really label it, so I don't know which one I'm clicking on. I believe it's the third one then. Let's see. All right, boom, Supreme. So I'm going to remove that one. And you can kind of play around. Like, you can just really add whatever you want to add. So if I go back, the Widgetsmith app is like the foundation of everything. So then if I want to go to large, then you just go in and edit. Like, let me see. Man, they pulling up some random pictures. So then just say like, if I want to go in and edit like this clock, you can change the background of the clock, make it, hot pink, and then it'll save it. And then next time I go to my background, I can add that hot pink and large, right? So then I'll just click on it, and then this you know, hot pink calendar, you know, whoop. So I'm gonna remove that. I like completely like renovated like my whole thing or whatever, right? So I'm gonna remove a couple of these just so I can get it back to normal. All right, so there's my desktop. And then you can like really just move stuff around, which is like pretty lit. So then one of the things I want to do is show y'all the apps now. So I'm gonna go to the shortcuts, and then this is where you download all your icons from like Google or wherever you want to download them from. So then you just gonna go plus, add action, scripting, open app. Like I said, if you need to watch this over, just watch it over. And then I'm gonna go to Spotify for artists. Click these three little dots. I think I named it right here. Like I said, I'm still getting familiar with this whole thing. And then add to home screen. I don't know if I need to put it in twice. It's one of these, so I just put it in anyway. Oops. Alright, hold on. You go there, and then you go to, my bad. Then you go to add to home screen. And then you gonna just pick the picture. Like, it's a little confusing, but over time, like, you'll get it. So like, you know, you'll get the hang of it eventually. I get a couple hiccups every now and then. So then when you click done, the app is right here. So then I can just drag it over and set it up. Boom. So now I got Spotify like on the desktop. Super fire update. Like, you can do so much stuff. This is my Safari, all on my dock. And just say if I want to add it right here, I'll just drag this over and then add like, I already did that one. I'm gonna do the camera. So boom, I'm gonna add the camera right there. And then, you know, you can really do what you want to do. Like, you can add pictures of you. You can add pictures of like your pets, significant other. And then really just customize it. So I got the anti-social club. I'm gonna edit it, you know, put like the crescent right there. You can put like a calendar, you can put pictures, and really it's all about customizing the thing. Get you a dope background. You can also go back to the second page and then the third page and make that any other color that you want to do. So I'm really feeling this update, y'all, especially as an artist and a creative. Like, it just makes things look good visually, aesthetically, and it makes it feel good. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm gonna show y'all more tips and different tricks if I learn something. I haven't tested out all the features on there yet, but if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Thank you. Peace.